my friends? Running Kimono. So it is Saturday the 22nd, and we're going to have a little chatty chat video because I know a lot of you really like these on the weekend, just about a situation that happened to me about a week ago. And I wanted to share because, I think sometimes you guys see different influencers that everything's a cakewalk and easy peasy. You just breeze through things, but not the case for me. I tried to use a coupon on a clearance item and had my fingers slammed into a door with a bajillion excuses immediately. So we're just going to dive through that. I'm going to explain it. And in the comments, if you guys want to share a similar story, because I know the more you shop, the more stories like this you have. I'd love to read them in the comments. Okay, friends, so to paint the picture for you, I was recently at a Bath & Body Works, a store that I frequent a lot. I get a lot of home mailer coupons, and this is an item that I had seen, which is like a pumpkin stand that you put your 3-wick candle in. It was $39.99, which is way too rich for this girl. I can look from a distance or hope to find it during the summer semi-annual sale and find it for less. However, I had a 20% off coupon. The item's 50% off. So when you usually walk into a Bath & Body Works, you immediately get greeted by an associate right away. They're on you because they want to upsell whatever you're buying. So if they come across as your BFF, you're like, oh, I think I'll buy some stuff. Psychology, guys. So a young girl came up to me and I saw the clearance rack right at the front of the store. And I said, hey, I have this 20% off coupon. Can I use it on a clearance item? Because they've recently changed a lot of their policy over there. I just wanted to make sure that we were on the same page. Because even though that I was getting it for $19.99, to get it for $16 is just a little bit better. And the young girl immediately said, yup, no problems, no issues. And I said, oh, also I'm going to get a free item, which is a bar of soap with the free item coupon. She's like, yep, they're at the back of the store. I'll see you at the register. Very friendly, very nice. So nice. Nice. Can't express how nice she was when I initially walked into the store. Okay, and for a lot of you that might be like, well, hey, Kimono, you should know the rules over at Bath & Body Works. It just seems like since they changed their return policy, a couple other, possibly a rule changed with the usage of coupons or what you can buy. It's an ever-changing thing over at Bath & Body Works, and it's not like one of the pharmacies, so I don't really keep up on it. And who really knows? Like, I wasn't 100% sure, so that's why I asked initially, because I just wasn't sure. And I do not want a lot of static at checkout, where, you grab all the wrong stuff, they ring up 10 items, and then they're like, sorry. Because that's happened before, too, and I just don't want to be that embarrassed. Okay, so if you ever get one of these free home mailers, or if it's in the app for you, it's up to $8.50 value. It's a body care item. So it's one of the travel size lotions or body washes or that sort of product. Included in that are these bar soaps. So I've known about that since about the summertime because an employee actually told me, oh, you have a freebie? If you want to grab a bar soap, you can do that. So I've been stockpiling these little bar soaps for Christmas. So I had a free bar soap with my coupon and I had my pumpkin with the 20% off. Pretty easy transaction. So upon the cashier getting all of my information into the system, she scanned the bar soap and the pumpkin and then told me initially, you can't use this free coupon with the bar soap. It's not going to work. I'm like, it has in the past. Because I actually asked an employee before, but maybe things changed. And she's like, I'll try scanning it, but I don't think it's going to work. She scanned the coupon. Guess what? It worked. The next item is the clearance pumpkin for $19.99 with the 20% off coupon. Very easy. And the 20% off coupon, no matter how many times she tried to scan it, it just would not grab the coupon. I don't know what was going on. So, I asked for a manager because maybe they could key it in properly or something wasn't working. And the cashier just said, oh, because it's a clearance item, you can't use the 20% off coupon. And then I'm like, hey, when I walked in the store, that's what I asked. And you said yes. So what is it? And she's like, no, you can't. She's like, if you wanted to use a 20% off, like on the bar of soap, yes, you can use that, but you can't use it on this. And I'm like, but I got the bar of soap for free, so why would I use a 20% off on that? What? No, this is how it is. Sorry. And I'm like, is there a manager in the store? She's like, no, she's not here right now. Okay, fine. She grabs the bar of soap and then the pumpkin, puts them on top of each other, and then just hands it to me. And she's like, here. And I'm like, what? And I'm like, I need a bag for this. Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, throw it in my trunk and drive around town and break everything? I'm like, I need a bag. I didn't say that, but I was thinking it. And I'm like, usually whenever you get ceramics at Bath and Body Works, they put it in paper and make it nice. Not the case. I mean, it was just a way for her to just give it to me without saying anything. It was very rude. And I was like, yes, of course I need a bag. Like, I'm going to just carry it in two hands and drive home? Like, what? Next day, it dawned on me. I'm like, so you can't use the percentage off coupons on clearance merchandise anymore. I need to get to the bottom of this because she was a younger cashier. No offense to young people. I'm not being like ageist or anything like that, but I'm like, I want to talk to the manager because the manager was mysteriously not there yesterday, and I want to get to the bottom of this. So I called, spoke to the manager, and I said, hey, I have a 20% off coupon. I bought a 50% off item. It would not scan. We could not get it to go. I think it was a newer hire helping me. Could you help me out? The manager's like, absolutely, you can, no problem. And I'm like, do I have to bring this vase back into the store? She's like, no, we can get all the information from your receipt. She's like, bring in the receipt and we'll take care of you. Brought in that along with the percentage off coupon, and I was given $4 on a gift card, and it was easy peasy, no problems, no attitude, very apologetic. And the manager said that the girl that served me was a new hire, and why she was giving me every excuse so quickly and doing all of that stuff. She wanted me to get out of the store and get away from her. A lot of times, guys, newer hires will make up any excuse under the sun to say that I am right and you're the customer, you're wrong, and this is how it is when you're working for X store. Happens a lot over at Walgreens too, especially with new cashiers when they don't know how things work because there's a billion rules over there. They'll just say whatever and say sorry, and like this was a good case of it. What I recommend, guys, because I've been in this situation more than I can count, is to always stay cool. I mean, I could have started swearing and yelling and whatever. I need to speak to the manager now. Not worth my time. I could have also canceled the transaction and gone back the next day and bought it. I think definitely calling back the store the next day after you've cooled down and speak to a manager is probably the way to do it. And I'll tell you something. After this little interaction with this young lady, I was so upset. I didn't coupon for the rest of the day because I'm like, I am mad and I don't want to have to deal with this anymore because it's so ridiculous. When you are talking to the manager on the phone, definitely explain your situation and be brief and to the point. They always appreciate that. Instead of you painting a story that would take 15 minutes, try and make it really quick. Practice in front of the mirror or someone, or write it all down if you're that person. Just write it all down to just your bullet points, and definitely listen. If you are going to cut people off and be aggressive on the phone, that's not cool. Mistakes happen in the workplace. Mistakes happen if people weren't trained properly. But definitely listen to what the managers have to say too, especially like a store that's seasonal like Bath and Body Works when they're having their whole Christmas line coming out soon. They have new staff there and they just don't know it. And sometimes when cashiers do not know how things work, they'll make up any excuse, especially newer hires, to get you out of the store. Well, today's lesson is call back the next day and ask for a manager in a cool manner. And sometimes things will play out your way. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.